you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Welcome back, everybody. This is the Clark Griswold YouTube channel, and I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm glad you're here. If you're new to the channel, new to the Strat, new to trading, or struggling in your trading journey, this channel will change the way that you guys trade in the stock market. Okay, but the first thing you need to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit the bell. The bell is the important part. It gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day. This is our top 5 Lotto Friday watch list for July 8th. I send out these videos every day. I send out main watch lists every day. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings. Okay, I've got over 200 videos for you guys to learn off of, okay? Everything from entering and exiting a trade, how to manage a trade, the different trade setups, broadening formations, what these candlestick numbers mean, okay, guys? I go through it all, and it's all for free. Okay, all the YouTube videos are for free. You can go over to my Twitter page at Mr. Clark Griswold. If you have questions, you can ask me in my DMs. Make sure you're following me over there, because I send out tweets throughout the day for setups that I'm watching. Okay, so follow me on Twitter for that. And let's go through a couple more items. This platform that I use here is called TradingView. If you don't use TradingView, you can go down below, click on that link in the description. It'll give you a free 30-day trial. If you are new to TradingView, new users only, gives you a free 30-day trial. If you decide to buy one of their subscriptions, I think there's 3 of them, you'll get up to $30 off depending on the subscription if you're using that link, okay? So that's one. Number 2, the ads that pop up, I ask that you guys let those things roll through. I know they suck and I know they're annoying, but they pay for this stuff to be free. Okay, that's what allows me to keep this stuff free for all of you guys and not have to pay for it, okay? So go get yourself a drink, go get yourself a snack when they pop up, come back, watch the video, learn, and continue to progress in your trading journey. And the last thing, guys, I have a new indicator coming out. It's probably not going to be tonight, so relax. Maybe tomorrow night. I do have some other things. I got to get settled around with it, but I do have an indicator coming out, and it's coming with the stuff that you guys have asked for, with these colored bars, with these highlights that you see here, with the time frame indicator, okay? So a bunch of stuff. Strat Sniper's 50% marker, that blue line you see there. If I scroll over, that's the daily 50%. I've got those on there, okay? So there's a bunch of stuff to enhance and help you guys in your trading journey again, okay? But let's get started on this top 5 watch list. You guys know, if you watch the main watch list, we've got 2 double inside bar plays on here, okay? If you're new, this is the first time you're seeing this, I'm going to explain to you what these inside bars are. So inside bars, or 1 bars, as they're marked right here, okay? They're showing consolidation within the stock. Let's look at this bar right here. It does not break the high. It does not break the low of the previous candle. Then the next inside bar does not break the high, and it does not break the low of the previous candle. It's a tightening range, and it's coiling. And if you can imagine these yellow bars as being a spring, and they're getting tight, 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 like a jack-in-the-box, and ready to explode to one direction or the other. And I've gone through this in the main watch list. If we go back in time to try and find the last time we had this rare pattern, the double inside bar, these yellow ones are for the 3-1. If you guys end up getting the indicator, those will be on there for you. So when you're scrolling through, they're readily marked. You don't have to go searching for them. Just like this one. Double inside bar marked by this blue highlight. And there we go. Inside bar, boom. Breaks a trigger, through the target, through the target, through the target, Big, big wins. And they don't always happen like that, guys. It's not a foolproof plan, but probabilities are high that this works out in our favor, okay? So watch the double inside bars on Roblox tomorrow. Hopefully it's a good play. We've got everything green except for the yearly on this one, okay? So watch for Roblox, okay? Let's move on to Lift. Lift is the next one that has a double inside bar. So Lift, again, double inside bar and the same thing. We have calls set at 13. I don't think I went through the calls on Roblox, but you guys can rewind and go see what they are. But calls at 1381, puts at 1317. The magnitude or the targets to the bottom side are not great. It's only 3 pennies. Okay? So it's not great. Up to this side, we've got 12 cents to the upside on Lift to hit the first target. This is a better play, especially considering the time frame is facing that way. But again, if we trend down, then by the time we hit this trigger, the day and the week, actually the week won't be red till here. So probability-wise of a trade working out really well, we're looking for Lift to go up. If it goes down, I'm not saying it's a bad play, but I'm rooting for this thing to go up to become a better, more probable play for us, okay? CCL is Carnival Cruise Lines. So CCL, inside bar. Calls at 945, puts at 892. And again, a single inside bar is obviously not as rare as a double inside bar, but they still have really good potential. And you can see we hit triggers and we hit targets. And again, this play is only 1081 to 1089. It's 9 cents. It wasn't a great play off of that, but the candles did exactly what they were supposed to do. They triggered and hit targets. Okay? To the 9 cents, and actually hit a little bit more than that. Did it fill this gap? It did, exactly. So this isn't a coincidence, guys, that this happens, okay? I'm going to mark this out. That was your first target. And then when we have these gaps, the bottom becomes the next target. And it's not a coincidence. This stuff happens because this is where stop losses are set. And it's exactly, this is why this stuff is the easiest strategy for you guys to go through. It triggered here at the top of the wick. We hit target 1, we hit target 2, and we were done. Okay, and it reversed right back. You should have had profits out of here and profits out of here and been out of this trade with a win for sure. Okay, there's no way you should have lost in this trade. Okay, we filled gaps and then came right back down. So inside bars are just as good. They're just not as, they're more common. So a double inside bar is just more rare. And you can see off of most inside bars, we have nice little runs. These two didn't work out. And like I said, they don't always work out. But a lot of times, probability-wise, they work out. Okay, here's another one. 3-1 setup to the high side. Inside bar to the downside. Okay, so inside bars are what I used when I first became really good at trading options. I just looked for inside bars all the time. And when I found them, I played them, and then I found the Strat, and it kind of evolved from there into some other things. But inside bars are where I started. And if you're new and you're having trouble, concentrate on one setup. And if that's the inside bar, concentrate on that inside bar, trading into full time frame continuity. Okay? Take those rules, set those rules, and follow them. And if they don't happen, then don't trade. We don't chase trades when we're using the Strat. We let the trades come to us, and if it's a good trade, we get in. If it's not, then go look for something else, okay? The stock market isn't ending this week. It's not ending on Friday. We have days upon years and months to go on and pick out a trade in a day, okay? Play number 5 is pins. And guys, these are in no particular order, but Pinterest is also an inside bar, full time frame outside of the year to the upside. Calls at 2058, puts at 1946. And again, the magnitude to the downside isn't great. The magnitude to the upside isn't great. We can mark out our second targets. To the downside is a long ways to go. And then the second target is a lot closer. So it's, again, probabilities tell us that if this goes up, it's a better trade just because of these targets. Okay? The chance that it hits this target tomorrow aren't great. Not saying it can't happen. it's just not very good. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 bonus plays. DraftKings is one, and the other one I got to find because I thought I had it on here and I didn't. Okay, so DraftKings 2 down and finish green. And we talked about this. I don't care if we have a 2 down red, 2 down green, but a 2 down green gives me a higher probability that this thing is going to continue to the upside. Okay, so DraftKings, we can look for calls on DraftKings at $13.13. First target is 30 cents away at $13.34. We have full time frame outside of the year to the upside. The last one I wanted to go through with you guys, was it CVX that had a double inside bar? There was another double inside bar play, and I don't remember where it was. XLU. There we go. XLU, double inside bar. I'm not sure what the spread between the bid and the ask is on XLU. So I apologize for that. I didn't look, but you guys can check it out in the morning. Target 1 looks great to the downside. The order of magnitude is 80 cents away. Okay, so this, especially with the time frame showing us this trending down, I like this play here, okay? Going to the upside, it's not as good. Not saying it's not a good trade, but in order for this week to flip, we'd have to be looking, this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. In order for this week to flip, we got to go all the way up here, okay? So not a high probability trade if we go up. Not saying it's not going to work. It could very well work. The higher probability trade is if we trend to the downside. Guys, that's a video. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Ask me questions if you got them. I don't care if you think they're silly or dumb. Ask them. I will help you guys out. You can comment down below. Click the thumbs up if you thought it was great. What else do I got for you? Watch the ads. Let them roll through, guys. TradingView, the link below will get you that 30-day free trial. And stay tuned for that indicator and some other great stuff, hopefully out this weekend. And good luck on Lotto Friday, guys. Play it safe. Don't lose your gains from the week. And we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.